Last week, you learned that there are two ways to define React components, as a class component or a functional component. We have been defining components using class components so far, but now we will look at functional components. Functional components are written just like a function, as the function declaration, function expression, or arrow function. Typically, you will only see them written as function declarations or arrow functions. Like with all components, they need to have the first letter capitalized, and they need to accept props as an argument. Like class components, they will always return at least one React element, but they do not use the render method around the return, and they will never have a constructor method. Another difference is that when you refer to props inside a functional component, you do not use the this keyword. The class component equivalent of this example functional component will be written like this. These are equivalent. Along with not using the render method, functional components cannot hold state nor use something called lifecycle methods, which you will learn about later. Also, let me mention that in a recent version, 16.8, React added something called hooks that changed things up a bit. With hooks, functional components are now able to hold state and act more like class components. But this is still quite a new addition and will not be covered in this course. You can check the additional resources for more information on React hooks. During this course, we will continue with the established way of using functional components only for components that do not hold state or use lifecycle methods. In the next exercise, we will convert some of the class components we've written into functional components.